So, turns out for the tornado, I've been looking the wrong way. That's a dumb gate. What? That doesn't look friendly, to be honest. So, are we gonna die? I hope not. Any last words if I die? I was a okay guy. That's my last words. Can you hear that? It's a whole bunch of seagulls, but that's all thunder. That sounds like a roaring plane or something. Ooh, that looks like something over there. Oh, that's not a tornado. That is, I'm bound to die. Why do you scratch me, cat? You want scratches. Oh, did you see that? That was lightning. Oh! 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 Oh no! No, not today!